Hi, my name is Michael O'Leary, and I'm here today to talk to you about the IRS collection letters and what they mean. We're going to talk about 5 letters. The first is the CP 516, or the Notice of the Missing Return. The second is the CP 501, called the Billing Notice. The third is the CP 503, called the Reminder Notice. The fourth is called the CP 504, called the Threat to Levy. And the last is called the Letter 11, Final Notice of Intent to Levy. The first letter, the CP 516, is not really a collection letter. You get one of these when the IRS has received income reporting with your Social Security number. Could be on a W-2, could be investment income, interest, dividends. So they have this income information, and they're looking to match it to a tax return that you have not yet filed. So they send you a letter and say, hey, we've got this information. Please file a tax return. The next letter is the CP 501. This is the first letter you get after you have filed a tax return and there is a balance due. Consider it, they call it the billing notice. It's like an invoice. Okay, thanks, you filed your tax return. Here's what you owe us. Please send the money in 10 to 14 days so we don't have to escalate the collection process. Should you ignore the CP 501, the next letter you get is a CP 503. This one is a little less friendly. They'll say, okay, as we reminded you before on the 501, you still owe us this money. Please send it in. And once again, they go through the collection process and let you know how things are going to escalate if you continue to ignore them. If you have still not paid them, the next letter you get is the CP 504. Now they're threatening you. They are threatening to levy you. A levy is a taking. They will garnish your wages. They will take money from your checking account, and they will even attach payments to you that you're expecting from vendors if you're self-employed. You are now into the third step of an escalating collection process. Not good. The last and most threatening letter of all is the letter 11. You are running out of time now. They are telling you that very shortly they actually will levy your assets. They will start taking money from you. If you haven't responded before you get this letter, you should respond immediately upon getting this letter. Contact the tax professional, have the tax professional reach out to the IRS immediately and request a collection due process hearing. That stops all the enforcement action and gives you 30 days in order to come up with a game plan, either to get your tax returns filed or work out some sort of payment arrangement with the IRS. That is very important. If you miss this step, the levies come. You cannot dispute anything in tax court, and only bad things happen. If you have any questions about this, please give me a call. I'm happy to help. If you are receiving these types of threatening letters, you need to reach out to me right away so we can get to work on helping you and getting the IRS off your back and not taking your assets. Have a great day.